Good morning, Rax. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, which makes today International Moment of Laughter Day. Where's the other one?
Lose.
It's also Look Up at the Sky Day. Just make sure you don't look at the sun.
Ow.
Anyways, good day to look outside. Nicer day for weather. Three things going on. First, tomorrow's going to be College Signing Day. Laskowski will send out more information about that for a few of our seniors going to play athletics in college. Yesterday, I showed you the Counselors Connect that Miss Sharin is running. She'll have updates on it each week with some different tips and actions for happiness, which we all could use at this time. Each day has a little thing for you to follow along. And we've been talking each day about our own personal understanding of what this virus, coronavirus, means. I want to focus on asymptomatic today. You may have heard it. It means you may have it, I may have it, and we may never know it because we're relatively healthy people. But that's where it's the most dangerous. If you think you're okay, you infect somebody that wouldn't be okay if they got it, or even that person would be okay and they spread it to the next person. It's where the problem comes in. It's where we're having a problem right now. A lot of people are not social distancing, and the worst is not over for us yet in Monroe County. So do your part. Don't be selfish and understand, and just kind of assume that you have it, and don't leave the house because that's not safe right now. Happy birthday goes out to Malachi Wonkner. That's all I got for today. Have a great Tuesday, Rax.